It can't be too cold. I said, no, it cannot be too cold. Cold. Good morning, everybody. Let's get it. Okay. Hey. Good beats. Wow, 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 wow. Hey, look who's already here, big man. The G man. I was gonna call you G Money, but I think that's already reserved. Good to see you, brother. Oh, game. I got the volume on here. There we go. How you doing, brother? I gotta turn this down. How you doing, brother? That should be better. I am doing good, my man. I'm doing good. NQ looking for that sell side draw since the start of the week. Looks like the market's starting to commit to this data wick here. So leaning shorts, lots of upside draws, but we'll see. See where the market decides to go here, brother. First day with just the MacBook. Nice, man. Have you always traded on your MacBook? Like you never traded on your PC? I'm assuming you still use your monitors connected to your Mac. I'll be right back, boys. BRB. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Jump. Oh shit! We back. Sorry about that one there, boys. George. Nah, first time trading on my MacBook. LOL. Didn't know I can connect my monitors to it. What? Oh yeah, dude. My one doesn't connect to monitors. Really? You got what kind of outlets do you got on your MacBook? Our furnace got shut off last night, so it's like 13 degrees in here this morning, bro. It's freezing. Freezing. Macy, how you doing, big dog? Just stopping through. Hope to get a trade this week. Have you traded this week yet, Macy, or no? That's right, because you're only on NQ now, right? Very well done. Bro, you can get... George, you can get USB-C, plug into your computer, and then you can get HD port, you could get HDMI, you could get whatever you need with that USB-C end on. I don't know if it'll work with, like, I would just look it up. I would look it up before you buy the cords, but I have, like, my Mac Mini is all USB-C, bro. There's like 4 on the back and 2 or 3 on the front. And yeah, all of mine are USB-C. I have a USB-C to HD port for my higher res monitor, or my higher refresh rate. And then I got HDMI to my lower res. No trades yet, only NQA+. Good. Good, man. Good, good. Hook it up to the big screen. Yeah, dude, I used to trade on my like 56-inch TV. It's pretty awesome. You see everything. Trade from the living room sofa, yeah. I remember that working really well if you were the type of trader who traded a lot off of like the left side of price action, because you could see everything. It's such a big screen. Looks like London High is the target here, boys. Bless me. Sheesh. All right, here's the update. So we've passed one eval, one Apex eval on Monday or Tuesday. I think it was Monday. In the last couple days, there's been a couple small, there's been some proper trades, some break evens. I did take a few scalps. So we're looking pretty good. That's a good idea. Haha, trade cinema. Yeah. Excuse me, boys. A short on GU for 1.6R. One win, then dip. Nice, bro. That was a short on GU. Right on, dude. Right on. 1 hour level or a 15-minute? Maybe here. Yeah, right on. $8.30. Yeah, bro, there's a really tight entry here. Get a slam. This would have been a good break-even point. Break-even TP1. Depending how you got in, obviously. Might have been a little bit lower. This looks kind of funky anyways. Could have been your final. A TP2, and then like a TP3 at the low if it just decides to mount down at midnight. Or what is this? This ain't midnight. Just a random low. That looks good, man. We're still stuck in this shit range, so we'll see how long it takes to get out. But once we're out of it, we'll be looking really good. All right, so we got one flex. We got one flex up to 51,675. So we're over halfway to 53K, and then we got another second account just over 51K. Two minute. Let me peep that. 2 minute. Nice. Good eye on the 2 minute. Was this your partial down here? TP1 partial or just TP1? I guess, yeah, because if we're entering here, yeah, this would have been TP1 / break even. Great job. Great job. Still getting paid, even when the market turns against you. Very important. Yeah. Well done. Well, it looks like the market wants to rip. So we'll see what happens once we take these London highs. ES is running. NQ is not looking as strong. Weaker on the day. But yeah, we're looking like London highs are going to be our first target. We got some really nice looking Asia equal highs up here as well. So let's see if we can wait for price to pull back into a 15. Trade this to the upside. We got this big bullish SMT. We'll see what price does in the next 15 minutes here. ES already printed. Could be a breakaway gap. George, done for the day, man. How does that feel? Honestly, how does that feel? Lefty Marcus Crackhead. What up, Georgie? Dude, great call on GU there. Is it GU? Yeah, GU. No entry. George, what were you looking at for the entry there? Just out of curiosity. Are you just taking like a retest on the block? Like this entire or is it once this candle breaks? Where the fuck did the chat go? Oh, there it is. Ah, there we go. Thank you, bro. Yeah, no retracement. 9:15 close. You wait for the 9:15 close? You wait for the 15-minute closes, I guess? I see. Yeah, it looks like it left on that last 5-minute candle. Yeah, what a move. It just took off. That's a 1 hour inverse now. Great V-shaped property. This could have further upside. Could. We'll see. It's tough in these markets too, right? Because like look what happens here. We inverse and then we continue to sell off, right? We inverse, we sell off, right? We inverse, we sell off. There are some nice equals up there though, so we'll see. Pausing before London high, good sign, good sign. Level put a good reaction in, okay. Fucking freezing in here, man. Freezing, so we were off just chilling. Okay, then entry, knife being closed. The M5 close wasn't convincing enough. That's fair, man. It was borderline. It was borderline. But there was a really nice retest here. Like you gotta love to see this. Close above, close above. It even closed above this wick. And that just a perfect retest. You guys want to hear a really, really strange story? Want to hear something funny or maybe not so funny? Cheers. First sip feels, boys. First sip feels. Let's hear it. Okay, bro. So I'm making a coffee this morning, right? Got my Philips coffee maker. You know, it's pumping. And I'm using a cup, like a mug. All right. And then I also have a travel to-go mug, right? Now the to-go mug I'm using for my Shilajit, right? Cold water, Shilajit powder, shake it up, drink it, right? So I get the vanilla out, and my dumbass pours vanilla in my Shilajit because it's in the to-go cup. So I am sipping a Shilajit and vanilla right now. I'm gonna tell you something. It's not half bad. It ain't half bad, boys. So I think it's time to do some self-reflecting. There's, I put Shilajit in my water this morning. Something, the universe is trying to tell me something. New discovery. I know, right? I think I'm gonna make a YouTube video on it. George, how you been liking doing the YouTube videos, bro? What are we listening to, boys? My bad. inconsistent. It's not illegal. I'll be back. Just need to do something for an hour, 30 minutes, an hour. Dude, do what you got to do, man. You know where I'll be. You know where I will be, my brother. Be well. Be well. I'm just patiently waiting here. Might see more downside off this. I'm more lenient for longs at this point, but anybody who's looking short, I mean, this could print. Be great if it didn't print. It's gonna fill our gap unless we reject. George, you have anything else lining up for today, or is it just GU for you, big dog? It's G Money I'm talking to now. The G to the money. Oh, come on, G Money. Can't wait to give you a fucking bro slap on them big juicy delts, bro. Just can't wait. It's gonna be fun. Well, if price holds here, we might get a little 15 action. We might get a little 15 action. Ah, that's another 15 minutes. Wasn't good enough. Right on, man. Good patience. taking a small stab here. Let's go. Push for the kid. Push for the kid. We are trading fairly close to the highs here, boys, so I'm going to push for a quick break even here. Long on ES. Oh, we got an S&T. See if we can move out of here. Already partialed a little bit off at the high here. See if we can get an explosion. Come on, baby. NQ holding. Here we go. No chance we leave that London high, right? Time will tell. Not what we want to see. Definitely not what we want to see. You boys home. What up, Swagger? How you doing, bro? Got a quick partial off at the high here on ES, man. Took a 1 minute inversion off the 15-minute IPG retest. That's longs. Yeah, you got in down here, didn't you? Nicely done. Be great if we could get some legs. Equal highs, Asia session on ES. Yeah, man. These Asia highs are beautiful. Same with these London highs. We got some good stuff to trade into here. Yeah, wouldn't that be great? A little bit of drawdown on this trade, but that's okay. We partialed a good amount off the top. NQ looks like a disaster. NQ flipped to 15. No, NQ's reacting to the C, the 15. That's right. And we were back in the green. Happy to hold through this one, boys. We're valuation trading right now. Two minutes about to flip, 30 seconds. That'd be huge. Yeah, we are in the chop. We are officially in the chop. Something's got to start holding for us to get out of this chop. This is not what I want to be in right now. Should have at 614. 614 was my entry point. Ascending triangle, there we go. We bullish? Yep. Oh yeah, we holding. We're holding. We're eval trading, bro. We're holding. Just don't know if my stop's a little too tight. This would have chalked my RR. We'll see. We're chilling. And bounce. Swagger's out here calling the market. NQ looks like it's, who knows. This perfect reaction off this 15 is not good for buyers. ES flipped it. That's what I'm trading off the retest. We could push it any second here. 30 seconds starting to look real juiced. Push up, we can push down, we can push either way. Yo, what up, Mac? H4 FEG as well on mass. Oh yeah, this little pleb. Could be the cause. Could be the cause, big boys. Could be the cause. Must be a nice small L if we hit, because we took an aggressive partial before London. Let's see. Last line in the sand. Where's she going flush? Yeah, a bit of an aggressive entry again. We're eval trading right now, boys. So we're just riding towards these highs. Come on, baby. Mac, dude, I mixed vanilla with my Shilajit today. Oof. Thought it was my coffee cup. It wasn't. Might want to come down from one of these 15s. We'll see, boys. We'll see. Happy to hold. Happy to hold. Dow is holding very nice. Nice, bro. I personally don't use the Dow. ES. Trump's holding private meetings? Dude, I wouldn't surprise me. It's probably on Epstein's Island, boys. Fucking dirtbag. I wonder if that's gonna be like a place that you could go and like travel one day, like Alcatraz. You know what I mean? Yeah, Dow, right on. I know that the correlation between ES and NQ is a little bit greater than like the Dow and NQ or the Dow and ES, so I just stick to those. I just stick to those two. And Trump sell it? Yeah, man. I mean, honestly, just less scam wicks. It is what it is, though, right? Like, it's part of the environment we're in, so suck it up and enjoy it. Holy shit, did he call it? He said hold. He said hold. Is the young man right? I'll just start seeing some legs now. Give daddy the legs. Man, we got IFVG after IFVG after IFVG. Like, look at this. Liquidation, IFVG. Retest, go. Or don't. Chop, chop, chop. Yep, exactly. AM sessions are just chalked this week. Still made money, but not conventionally. There's that 15 tag in. This could be the saving grace. Maybe something like that. I can't tell if it wants to push or not, bro. We hold. We hold. We hold. Yeah, when we take this high, I'm taking some more off the table here. A bit of a bigger position going. TP2 / London high. And then we'll leave a small runner. I'll take the nibble. Yeah, so that was 35 minutes ago. This is our friendly drop candle. This is brutal. Come on, Trump, drop a tweet. Drop a tweet in our direction. Something. Get us out of this. So I might clip half my position at B here if we come back up. Clip half of what's running. Potentially look for a re-entry if it surges. Yeah, let's do that. Still doing all right. Swag, you still holding this, big dog? You got your stop trailed? Oh boy, that's that market sellers coming in hot. Bearish or bullish S&T? Nice. 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 Come on, baby. Stretch. Stretch. Nice. We just hit TP. Let's go. I got a few contracts left on. I'm just riding at break even. Nice. Okay, cool. We're out. We're out. What a candle. Oh my goodness. What a TP. Oh my gosh, swag. Bro. Swag. Swag. Sell it. What kind of filth are we working with today, man? Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Yeah, dude, that's what I'm saying. Evaluation trading is It's dicey game, bro. It's a dicey game. It's a dicey game, man. Look at this. This is foul. What a TP. Like, let's go to the tick. To the fucking tick in my platform, dude. Not much. I'm only up like how many points on ES? Yeah, it was like 8 points. It's like $150. Nothing worth writing home about, boys. Nothing worth writing home. Let's refocus. Come on now. We got a 15. ES is topping. I'd like to see ES tap this lower 15. Let's just clear this off for now. We got equal highs. London. This might sell off, man. I hate to say it, but there's this small bearish SMT here that could just hold price down, validate this level. This looks like it's about to go, man. NQ looking heavy. Shit's overweight. Way down she go. Well, boys, we got paid. Baby pay. We are officially 1K off. Another Lucid Flex 50K funded. We are 1K off, baby. And we're green. Trumpy, that was for sure a fucking Trump candle, wasn't it? I'm gonna get shirts made, bro. I'm gonna get shirts made. Okay, honestly, like, I'm leaning to the upside. ES upside. NQ, I have no idea. But we got liquidity on both sides. SMT on the low. SMT on the low. One sec, dogs. Let's go, boys. Green on the day again. I think I'm gonna hop to my second account here. See what we can do. Is that a smoothie? Oh shit! Boys, we're getting a smoothie. My woman's making a smoothie. Oh yeah. Vitamix. You can come in the room and put whatever you want on. I'm chilling. Hey. Boys, it's a good day. It's a great day. Happy Thursday. I'm a little distracted right now. Close my closet. Trying to get this webcam going. Let's get the webcam going! If I can lower the sensitivity on my mic, I think that's what's happening. All right, lady boys. What's good, baby? The color on this thing is absolutely shit, but that's okay. What's up, boys? How we looking? All right, decent start to the day. Daily CRT and outside swagger, bro. No clue. Yeah, we're selling. We're in a seller's market, boys, for now. Until we buy. Come on, baby. How are we looking? There's like different zooms on this thing. I like the max zoom. Yeah. What's good, baby? Finally was able to get a trade in today. I caught the drop. Of course you did, you fucking stud. Attaboy, Mace. Mace, where did you execute on this sauce? I took a, sorry, this is ES, I guess. It was a really nice flip here. I think it was pretty wide though. Why is this not measuring? How the fuck do you measure? Oh, not bad, like 50, 55 pointer off of 1 minute. Macy, baby! Silver's under 70 cents US. Sorry, boys, I got bad ADHD. Like, if you couldn't tell, I'm all over the map sometimes. Let's just redial it in. Okay, we do not have we have no 1 hour gap. We have a 30-minute gap that ES is tapped into right now. Fully mitigated. And starting to reject. Now, the question is it ES upside or is it NQ downside? I'm thinking ES upside. Close of the large 1 minute rejection candle. Nice, dude. Very nice. Dude, I mean, that test, this test of the CE, 50% of that NQ 15-minute gap. But yeah, this candle here was naughty. I was able to partial right at the high here, second partial, and then moved to BE. Took TP2, and then it immediately slammed BE on the same candle. It's a saucy environment we're in right now, boys. Hopefully you guys brought your spoons. And looking at this PA, like there's no potential flip gaps. 5 minute. A little wide. We'll see. Macy, bro. So you're 1-0 this week, correct? Are you still riding this bad boy down? Boys, shilajit with vanilla. Oof. Not bad. Yo, yo, yo. Thanks, baby. Clutch. All right, guys, the markets are a little confusing right now. Like never mind. I thought I saw the upside on ES, but I'm struggling at this point. We do have New York AM low. We got basically relative equals on both sides. So for now, let's just let the market do its thing. If we inverse this, then we'll be smooth sailing. NQ already inversed. Just checking back in, then have to dip again. I found out I'm up on the week despite my mistakes, so happy right now, not taking anything yet. Yeah, dude, ended up taking again, we're eval trading, took a bit of an aggressive long here, targeting the London high, didn't end up getting the full delivery. Price came back in. Where did I execute? I think the execution was here. It was a little bit lower. Anyways, it was right around this region here. Something like that. Anyways, TP1. No, I would have got in on this retest. There we go. TP1. And then I caught a TP2 perfect. Absolutely perfect on this. And then it came back down and took me out. It hit my TP, I moved break even, it took me out. So 350 bucks, something like that. Aggressive, very aggressive. TP smashed across the board, 2% on all accounts. Let's go, Macy. That is what I like to hear, man. That is what I like to hear. Let's go. Are you copying all your accounts, personal and prop? Why not, eh? If you're just trading one asset, let's go. Boys, you know what those live streamers do, right? They spam the W's, man. We ain't spamming no W's. On the chat, there's like these things. Like, look at this. You spam that. Spam! Woo! Let's go! Macy got paid! I wonder if you could do like an eggplant. Dude, I get more hype when the boys make money. Macy. Oh, Georgie boy, supporting the cause. We're trading standing up today too, boys. It's a vibe. Not gonna lie. Tell you boys, once these lucids are stocked up, when I market enter, I don't use the personal. Interesting. Interesting. Mac, 100%, dude. 100% Mac. Are you cooked for the sesh? Oh my goodness. saying it all fucking week, man. This line is the line. I'm telling you. We're coming for it. We're coming for it. There's no chance. We dancing, baby. Oh, dude, my nose is just out of control these days. Try something a little more. There we go. I think that's kind of decent volume. Like, I'm looking at the OBS here and it's like 40, like it peaks at like 30. Music volume 30 to 48 kind of thing. I don't know what any of that means. We are starting to get like fairly low into this leg as well, boys. So expect some filth. We could get filth. We could get a flush. Who knows? Cheers. Beets. Berries. Blood flow. Ultimate blood flow. Macy. 100%. One trade a week is okay with me. One asset is the ticket. Macy, dude. I mean, you take good trades, man. You take really good trades. It's more a matter of like when you start to get burnt out, or if you're over trading, you're overstimulated, that's when those silly little mistakes come in and wipe out those good trades, right? 100%, Mac. Fired up. Do this for a good couple weeks, man, and just see how you do. Right? Lower exposure is always a good thing. Yeah, I can't wait for the call tonight, man. Absolutely pumped. Call tonight's gonna be great. Mac, these standing desks, man. I think I'm gonna see if I can get that done for like my entire countertop.
It's 9 o'clock.
Another SMT. This just looks ridiculous. All right, what do we got? Macy, I always listen. Fucking rights you do, man. Macy's a brother. Macy, I only look at NQ and it brings a lot of peace of mind. Other setup is there, it isn't? Yeah, 100%, man. 100%. One and done. I might look at two assets and the occasional gold peak, the occasional silver peak, definitely the occasional FX peak. I'm a little more ADHD for sure. Ooh. No real entry, maybe a 30-second, but this looked really nice. This move out. I haven't really peaked at the higher time frames on FX. For now, boys, NQ sells 15-minute level. There's a tiny little BPR nested right here. Yeah, we're We're coming down. We need this low to go. Imagine a world where we don't take this high or low. Okay, let's see what you're saying. CMAs, dude, RIP for the poor souls who fully went hard on this PA this week. Absolutely assholes wider than football fields. Honestly, yeah. I mean, prop firms are making a lot of money. A lot of money. I think Lucid they just dropped something. The futures firm that I trade with, I'm pretty sure they just dropped something saying they just reached 100 mil in payouts. They've been in the game for maybe 2 years, maybe. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Sorry, boys. I just hit my straw. Sent beats flying everywhere. Yeah, I commend. Can you trade on TradingView, Lucid? Yeah, you can only trade one account though. Like you could. So I use a program called Profitability. Order filled. I think it's that one. Anyways, you can group trade if you actually trade on the platform, Profitability platform. 5 Lucids. Each prop has their own rules for quantities, but if you trade on TradingView, you can't copy trade unless you use a third-party copier. So, yeah, yes and no. I guess depends on. Yeah, assholes wider than something for sure, man. For sure. There's also probably some people making some killer cash. Scalpers, man. The scalp is real. These ranging environments. Oh, my nose is runny. The last like week, it's been nothing but yeah, scalper's dream, 100%, man, 100%. I'm gonna go on the right asset. There we go. We're vibing, man. Mac, what do you got going on today, brother? Any plans? Also, question: when you film your like day in the life or your YouTube videos, like your broad vlogs and stuff like that, how are you? Like, how do you pick the day? Like, I know you try and ideally hit a day with a trade, right? I'm assuming.
I won't do a day in the life till I have a trade. Oh, I see. So do you start filming when you have the trade? I see. Nice. Dude, how like, what an absolute YouTuber's dream. You know, you wake up, you're documenting that morning routine, blah, blah, blah. Everything's looking good, all cliche, and then a trade materializes, and then it's a banger. Gosh, and then it's sunny outside. Oh, shit. That sounds like the move. Yeah, look at this chalked PA. It'd be great to see this come a little bit higher. Good song. Great song. I'm loving this. Yeah. Come on, baby. Pull back up for daddy. Oh, we're chilling for now, boys. Just taking it easy. Oh, baby, baby, baby. We're in a bit of a lull right now. We are lulled. Lull me to sleep. Mac, you were no trades last week, right? No trades last week, no trades this week so far? Little baby first presented 15 here. Price is reacting off. Have to flip this to confirm. That'd be hella wide. 55, not bad. There's just like no draws lower aside from this data wick. I said I don't know where I'm going, and I don't really care. Sorry, boys. Terrible. Say it with me. The markets are selling off.
For all the composers and producers. This feature that I'm going to show you today
is
where you can just record a humming and turn this humming into a full track with expanded melodies and complete arrangement that you can start with.
What the fuck? I don't know if you guys are hearing this ad, man, but... Oh, wow. Yo, this is intense. I gotta share this. This is unreal. Oh! Down she goes. Way down she goes. I just want to like crank this shit to the max. I love that. I love that stuff. Tempting! Tempting! Very tempting. Look at all this liquidity. What's the size on this? Okay, I started up a small position here. We're chilling. If Plurice doesn't just fall flat again, it'd be great to see some momentum in either direction, to be honest. Catching a little heat on this, boys. A little bit of heat. And just slowly scaling in as price comes a little bit higher up. Just these consolidating markets. Come on. There we go. Like, is it gonna go or is it gonna go? A lot of buy side stacked here. Low time frame buy side. Might take this. Yo, what up, Shawnee boy? How you doing, man? Missed on the 5 minute. Here? Or the retest of the inversion? Oh, baby. Melt. This will dump. Yeah, I mean, I would have taken it on NQ because it's the weaker asset, but I mean, it's already run all the lows, man. Like ES, I just want to hold a trade into these lows. I just, yeah. That's my focus here. All these lows. Oh, fucking melt! Come on! Do it! I got a big partial coming off at 6.582. $25. Oh my gosh, Sean, you called it, bro. That'll take Nas down. Yeah, exactly, bro. You are dialed, bro. You know what's up. About to hit TP. Flush! We're out. I got a small runner. Small runner, we're targeting. Fuck it, let's just target the far low, man. 6574. 6574. 6574. Let's get to break even. Okay, we're gonna buy stop at break even. 6574. 6574. 50. Nice, bro. We're up over $700 now on this eval. Today we're sitting at 52,400 floating. One contract remaining. GG. Good Sean. Good call, Sean. Good call, man. You got those reads, bro. You're freaking dialed out here. All in the day's work, big boy. So hold up. You were Johnny, let's just review your NQ here, bro. So I'm just gonna get all this off. Yeah, this looks, dude, I'm telling you, man. I've been saying it, not like it matters, but data wick low, that data wick from Monday, we're chewing at it. Chomp, chomp! Chomp, chomp, baby! What's the price on ES data wick? 65.09. There's no way we hit that today, right? Maybe I should just move my runner to 65.09. I'll get liquidated. I will get liquidated 15 minutes before the day ends. But if we did decide to go, I mean, that would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. Yeah, I fucking love taking profits, man. It's like you can breathe, life is good. Not like it isn't if you don't take an L, but yeah, we're getting there, bro. It's feeling good. We're gonna pass this Lucid Flex, and then I got another Lucid Flex at 51K, and then I got a couple more just towards right around break even. So yeah, I mean, if we could pass all four without blowing, that would be massive, absolutely massive. But for now, we're chilling, man. We're chilling, just taking aggressive entries. So this 5 minute, what was the 5 minute you were looking at? Were you looking at a retest of this imbalance here, or were you looking to confirm out of this imbalance? Because there is an absolutely beautiful 5 minute retest here. I'm not sure if that would have been too wide for you or not. I'm also not sure if there was any type of I don't even know how to say it, executable price action. Like, was there an entry model? Were you looking inversion, Sean, or were you looking just off the bearish FVG? Okay, where are we at here? So I'm running BE. Let's just chill out for a second. I might leave this one contract open above these highs. I'm gonna do that. So I got 4 points of risk open over these highs. 4 points. So that'd be $20. See if we can give it a little bit of room, creep back up into this order block, continue the downside. Like, this looks like it wants to go. We might get a little wick rejection, but let me guess, 50% of the wick? 50% of the candle, not the wick though. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, stop loss is at 6595, 659525. It's a wide. There we go. Give this some room. Oh my goodness. Ha! 80 points. That'd be huge. One contract running low. So this is something that I've been practicing, is like, instead of taking TP at these wicks, oftentimes we get a rejection. I'll take it at like the 50% of the wick, fill it. I don't want to risk a rejection. Sean, how's your day, man? How many more days till daddy's home? Where you been? Where you from? Where you going? Where you work? Oh! Sean, I really like your read on the draws though, especially when we left this London high. I was keen on this. I took a long into this. Home in 3 days. Nice. Yo, if you're free Saturday, bro, let me know. We can chum. How's the music, boys? Is it too loud? I'll turn it down just a little bit. There we go. I can kind of hear it through my mic, eh? I wonder if I can put a sensitivity on it. Filter. New noise suppression. Okay, looks like we're good. I'm gonna turn this up a bit and see how well it. Okay, that's pretty good. That's nasty. We're just printing these lows. Look at these lows, man. Come on. Okay, this is why we left it open. We got to reduce risk on this. One contract running 4 points. For the data wick lows, 6509 is the target, boys. 6509. If we get there, I will squeal like a boar in heat. Thanks for stopping by again today, Shawnee boy. Gosh. Your friendly neighborhood confluence is excited to see you, bro. It looks like we're still going to ladder down. Once we take this low, yeah, once we take this low, we got this 4-hour SMT going on. It's just a matter of when, not if. Look at this. Come on, ladder for daddy. Re-entry? Re-entry model? Maybe? Always here to support. Chat later, gonna go throw my laptop out the window. Do it, man. Throw it in the fire. No, but in all seriousness, no. Hit me up when you're when you're done work today or something like that, man. Let's coordinate a chill sesh for Saturday or something if you're free. Gosh, imagine DJing and trading. Sean, you gonna be at the midweek live call tonight, buddy? I hope so. The re-entry model. This is going down. Donald called it. Brother Sean called it. Yo, this flips, she's flushing. This flips, she's flushing. Gosh, makes me want to just full send shorts. This one contract float is boring. Oh, this is coming down. Can feel it in my loins. May or may not have scaled in. Nuke. Nuke. That's a beauty retest. That's a beauty retest. Take the low. Take the low. Take the low. Holy crap. What is going on here? What on earth is going on here? Yeah, we're out of this. We're out. We are out. We got wicked out. This is garbage. Alrighty, boys. I think I'm cooked here. 10 o'clock. I will catch you guys tomorrow and actually tonight for the call, the RM call. And then, yeah, we'll be back live streaming tomorrow. But stay safe out there, man. We'll catch you guys soon, all right? Thanks for tuning in.